Welcome back to another video. I'm your trader Sam, and today I want to have a discussion with you about what is likely to happen here for Bitcoin, because in the last episode, Bitcoin was hovering around this point of control area at 25,762, and we were looking to get a break above the range of the 26K high. We have got that now, so what is going to happen next? But before we get into that, just remember, guys, I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say in this video is for educational purposes. And remember, smash that subscribe button, smash the like button, do it for the algorithm, guys. It's really going to help lift this channel, help it grow. And I'm going to have amazing content coming your way. We're going to be doing lots of collabs with other YouTubers. There's going to be some exciting stuff coming. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into it. So, as I said earlier, in the last update that we gave, we were hovering around this point of control, okay? Now, within these tight ranges, unless you really know what you're doing, I suggest you stay out, because these are the zones where a lot of people's money is lost, right? It's much easier looking for the higher probability setups, the places where you can have your stop losses in place and be looking to make good risk to reward. So what we were looking in the last update was either coming down, taking out these lows at the bottom here, or taking out these highs and getting a rejection either side. But we also, for those of you that remember that in the last update, you will remember that I also said coming up and breaking out of the highs and then possibly getting into a back test would also be a good long opportunity. Since that update, price got very close to hitting both the lows and the highs, well, much closer to the lows. But it didn't trigger for me because I had my alerts set at this low over here, and we managed to just front run that zone. So I did stay out of this choppy action here. What we can be looking at now, though, is price to potentially come down to this zone at the point of control in the value area high, and then get a subsequent bounce. If we do get into this long position when price comes down here to retest 26K, if it comes down with low volume and manages to, wick above and get acceptance above this level, you want to see a little bit of consolidation. You want to see some candles with long buying tails, right? Long wicks. If we do manage to find support here, we can be looking back to these highs at 26,400 and then to the value area high where you will be wanting to take profit. Now, after that, I will be looking up here to the golden profit range, but more importantly, this daily level up here at 27,295. That is definitely a level of interest. And we also do have another MPOC level just above, get that, at 27,900. We have this MPOC level. I'll obviously be looking at this higher as well. Now, we are talking about some intraday setups here. I mean, we're looking for these quick moves in and out, right? So I'm not going to go and look on higher time frame analysis. That will be for another video. This is simply for these short-term trades that we are looking at. Now, just remember though, guys, like, you want to be always protecting yourself. Stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. You'll never not hear me talking about it. You'll get sick of hearing my voice talking about risk management, but really it is what separates traders from gamblers, right? And I don't care who it is. You can talk about psychology all you want. You can talk about different strategies till the cows come home. If you are someone who doesn't use risk management, you're just going to get wiped out. Simple. You get wiped. So manage your risk. Have everything set out. So, for example, you've heard me talk about price potentially coming down here to test this point of control and value area high. So what are you going to do as a trader as price starts to come down here? So if you get a low put in like that and then you see like a quick SFD, okay, great. You've just triggered yourself along here. So what you want to be doing is you want to be coming over here to this tool. You don't need to use this tool, but you can use it. You want to be making sure that you know exactly where your stop loss is going. So let's just say you entered on that wick down there, and let's just say you want to put your stop loss beneath that wick and you're aiming for the highs, right? Or your take profit one, we're going to aim for the highs. Now you can already see here that this is almost a risk to reward of 4-to-1, right? So you're basically risking 1 to make 4. These are the kinds of setups you want to be getting in. Now, if the entry was all the way up here, there's no point in taking the trade, right? Because we can take these kinds of trades all day long because you can get stopped out several times. It only takes a couple of winners to more than make your money back, right? To be in the profit. So that brings us to the end of this Bitcoin update, guys. Now, if you're someone who is looking to level up your trading, to learn about Bitcoin and altcoins, then I really highly suggest that you check the description below, where you'll have a link to our Legends Discord community, where you can learn loads about trading. You can get daily updates, coaching from myself and Andy, the GOAT, and really level up your trading, guys. Once again, thanks for tuning in, and I will catch you on the next one. Ciao.